Hello everyone. Now this is my unboxing video of the Oculus Quest 128GB version. Now I feel quite lucky to have got one of these because they are the hot property of the moment. I managed to pick this up from a shop called Argos in the UK, and I'm very excited to have a go with it. Now, this is not the first time I've actually used the Oculus Quest because my brother owns one and he's been on at me for ages to get one. So I finally took the plunge because I thought it'd be a good option to have while the country is on lockdown. I want to check out the fitness apps for it and just generally have a bit of fun playing online. So without further ado, let's get it open. So it comes in a nice box. It's probably a bigger box than I thought it'd be, but who knows. Now, I don't know where to really start. So I do have a Stanley knife, so it shouldn't take me too long to get inside the plastic. I'll get the plastic off and then I'll just have a look at the box itself. So on the front there is a picture of the headset and the two controllers. On this side there's a lot of terms and conditions and things. Nothing particularly fun. On the back there's a bit more of the controllers and a few of the games that you could install. So Vader Immortal, Sports Scramble, don't know that one. Dance Central, don't know. National Geographic, Let's Explore VR, which looks pretty good. There's Dead and Buried 2, don't know what that is. And Creed Rise to Glory, which is a boxing game which looks pretty epic. So, slide it out of the box. It's obviously got quite a premium feel, that you'd expect these days with any device that you buy. They all tend to come in pretty decent quality boxes, even the cheap stuff you get from China these days. And there you have it. So there's the box taken off. You can see the headset there. There's a box here with, that's quite nice. It's quite a posh box. It looks like a visor insert. Looks like a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. See there, and one's angled. I presume that's the one that goes in the headset. And a UK plug that slides up to fit. I don't know whether it'll have charge in it. There's another box. Oop. Let me just put these back. So this looks like another sort of insert to the face mask, whether there's one already in, I don't know. It's a charging cable which looks pretty long, I'd say maybe 3 meters that, but we'll see when I get it out. And then there's another box which one of the batteries fell out, and instruction book or operation guide. I'm guessing that it's mostly online these days that we tell you about that. I don't know whether we'll need to charge it up. So let's have a look at the headset. So there's some instructions to say insert controller batteries included, press and hold the power button to turn on the headset. Warning: to reduce the risk of personal injury, discomfort or property damage, read all the health and safety warnings, which I'm sure we will all do before we jump in and use it. Now you can see each corner here, that looks like a camera. There's a slide button which I think is for the focus, which adjusts where the lenses. There's a 3.5mm jack. I don't know if you can see there, that's presumably where headphones, and there's one on each side because each side is a separate jack. And then you've got what looks like a Velcro type fastener here on each side to adjust the depth, and one overall Velcro to adjust the size. There's a volume button there underneath, and actually see power. Oh, that's the power, I think, and that's where you must charge it. Hopefully that can pick it up. So on one side you've got a power switch, and on the other side you've got a charging point. Then you have the two controllers, which feel pretty nice in the hands. I mean, I've got quite big hands, so there's a side paddle there, which presumably is just to see whether you're holding it. There's a menu button, an X and a Y, and this is the left hand side, so I'm on the wrong one. So it's not see whether you're holding it. It is actually a button that you can use. Feels nice in the hand. They're quite light at the moment, but they will have a battery put in. So there is the two, and that's pretty much it. So X and Y are on the left hand side, B and A are on the other side, and these come with two just normal batteries. Just slide off that cover. Let's put one in and we can feel the weight. Now you can get rechargeable ones. I've read quite a lot on the internet, and some are better than others, so do your research before buying rechargeables for this. Yeah, it adds a little bit of weight, but not much. I'm surprised it's only actually one battery, really. But I guess they want to keep the weight down as much as possible. So I'm going to have a little play. I'm going to see if it needs charging. I'll get it turned on, and I'll perhaps post a first impressions video tomorrow with my first thoughts, and maybe some gameplay of a couple of games that I've tried out. Thanks for watching. Any questions, give me a shout and I'll try and answer them. Oh, better, before I go, you might want to see the actual... Oh, so there's a plastic covering on here, which insert control batteries, press and turn on. And that's just in French. And then we have the lenses, and these have protective. You can see the, I don't know if you can see, nice and shiny. You can sort of see the Fresnel lens on that. No liquid cleaners, so I don't know what you're supposed to clean them with. And I'm just gonna try it up. Yeah. So in terms of, I mean, this is a bit silly on the video, but in terms of weight, it does feel quite front heavy. I have heard that is one criticism. I'm gonna tighten up the straps, which immediately make it feel better. Not too tight, just the bridge of my nose. I can see a little bit out the bottom. I think that's because I haven't inserted the face mask, or perhaps I need a different face mask, or perhaps I'm just put it on my face a bit wrong. That feels better. I've moved it down on my face a bit more, and I can't see any, all I can see is dark. So perhaps I'll just turn it on and see what happens. Can't remember where the button was. Oh, it's on the front somewhere, wasn't it? Yeah. It's a bit awkward, isn't it? So trying to turn it on. One press. Oh, there we go. So I've turned it on, and immediately, I know I'm going to have to adjust the lenses. That's better. It's a really strange sensation for changing the lens setting. There we go. So it's booting up. It's incredibly quiet, which you'd expect. And now it's telling me to install the Oculus app on my phone, which I have previously done. So I think I'm going to end the video now. It's telling me in numerous languages. The screen resolution seems pretty good. And if you turn your head, it sort of follows it round. It's quite bizarre, really. Okay, so that is the end of this video.